Okay, this is the kit that we'll be using to laminate our eyebrows. I did my research and I actually seen that you can use a lash lift kit. So I ordered this off of Amazon. Okay, once you open the kit, you'll see that it comes with false lashes glue. It comes with perm, fixation, nutrition, cleanser, clean tool, and lift pads. We will be using all of these products except for the lift pads. First, we're going to start off with clean brows. You're going to make sure that you have a spoolie and you're going to brush your brows up in the direction that you want them to go. Once I got my brows in the direction I wanted them to go, I'm just going to apply the false lash glue to them so that they can be stuck in place. After you get done applying the lash glue, just make sure that you let your brows sit for like a minute or so that they can get hard. Now I'm getting ready to take the perm. I'm gonna dip the end of my spoolie into it and start applying it to both of my eyebrows. After I've applied the perm to my brows, I am going to apply my first piece of saran wrap on top of them and let this sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I have removed the saran wrap and wiped the perm off of my brows. I am low-key shook because I can see how straight my brows are. Next, I'm going to take step 2, which is the fixation. I'm going to dip my spoolie in it and apply it all to my brows. Once I have completely saturated my brows in the fixation, I am going to add my second piece of saran wrap and leave that on for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to remove the saran wrap and I'm getting ready to take the clean tool and I'm going to remove any product that is in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to take the cleaner and dip my spoolie in and wipe it all over my eyebrows. Y'all keep in mind that I am thoroughly cleaning off my spoolie after each product that I'm using. Now I'm taking a paper towel that I have damp with water and just making sure that I have all of the product out of my eyebrows. Okay, finally the last step, I am going to add the nutrition to my eyebrows. And with this product, a little does go a long way because at first I had added way too much to my brows. Okay, I am like shook at this point because I'm like, check out these brows. Like, I'm low key feeling myself. I could see the vision. Look, you can comb them up, you can Do whatever you want with them. I am shook, sis. Okay? Period, poo. You can also take scissors and trim the hairs that are too long to give you the desired shape. I chose not to cut my eyebrows. Next, y'all, I'm in some different lighting so you can see the final results of my brows. I am in love with them. Here are some after pictures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you are notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.